Hello everyone, Dr. Mark here with you again, and today I wanted to mention some gentle home remedies for your dog's red or bloodshot eyes. When clients call up and mention a dog with a pink eye, I am glad to see them, but it is often just a little dirt in the eye and can be taken care of at home. It may be a bacterial infection, trauma, or an allergy, but it is fine to treat most of these at home and see if the dog needs more treatment. Rarely a more serious issue is involved, like cancer, but those eyes are not going to respond to the home treatments I will suggest in this video. Before I get into the things you can do at home, I want to ask any of you not yet subscribed to join my channel. There are already lots of videos here on heartworm and nutrition, and plenty of videos with information on choosing a dog to stay at home while you are at work or to guard your house and family. In the majority of cases it is okay to go ahead and try some simple therapies at home. You can put an Elizabethan collar, the collar of shame, on your dog and try a warm compress. Just take a warm, not hot, washcloth and apply it over the closed eye for about 2 minutes. You can put the cloth in the microwave for 10 seconds or pour hot water over it, but it should not be so warm that it is uncomfortable if you hold it over your own skin. Don't hold it on your hand since that area can take more heat. The heat helps reduce the inflammation in the eye and helps with the pain, and you should do it again in about 4 hours if the eye is still bothering the dog. You can also use saline. You can make up saline solution at home or buy one of the products from a drugstore, but be sure to read the label. It should just be simple saline ophthalmic solution, nothing else. The point of a saline rinse is to remove particles of dust, dirt, grass seeds, etc., so use lot, not just a few drops. Put it on top of the eye and apply enough so that it is pouring down the side of the face. The third treatment I recommend trying at home are herbal tea compresses. This treatment is similar to the warm compress I suggested above but may help with the pain since chamomile has some anti-inflammatory effects. Just put the moist warm, not hot, tea bag on the eye, just like the washcloth. It should not be so wet that the tea is running down your dog's face, just moist. You can do this once or twice a day if it is helping. The fourth and last home treatment that helps in some cases is antihistamines. Saline and warm washcloth are better, and this may or may not help. I would not even worry about trying until you have applied a warm compress to the eye and flushed it with sterile saline. An antihistamine like Benadryl or quercetin can be given if your dog has pink eye secondary to an allergy, but if the pink eye is secondary to a trauma or an infection, this is not going to help. How long should I wait before consulting a veterinarian? Trauma to the eye with secondary infections can get much worse and become so severe that the pet loses sight in that eye. I normally recommend that the pet be treated at home the first day, but if the eye is not responding or getting any worse, the pet should be seen the next day. If you call and are told by the receptionist that your pet can only be seen in 3 or 4 days, go to an emergency veterinarian. If the eye is getting better, this can take a few days to about 10 days to clear up, so if you are seeing a good response, you can continue with the warm compresses that long. If the situation is getting better but is not gone after about a week to 10 days, your dog should be seen by a veterinarian. Are there any eye drops I can use? Some sites will recommend that coconut oil is a good natural treatment for pink eye in dogs, as it is a good alternative antibacterial, antifungal, and has mild anti-inflammatory properties. I am a big fan of using coconut oil on the skin, but I do not recommend it be put in the eye. Some dogs do not yet have a bacterial conjunctivitis, but as soon as you add an oil they will develop one secondary to the irritation. No oils or other natural products are going to be sterile. It is possible to purchase an antibiotic eye ointment for dogs at pet shops and at Amazon, but I do not recommend these for pink eye. The ointments are a great way to protect the eyes before giving a medicated bath though. Are those ointments going to cause any problems if you do decide to use them? Probably not. Are they going to resolve an infection or treat the trauma to your dog's cornea? Not likely. They are not going to do any more than a warm compress and sterile saline. I did want to mention those homeopathic remedies for pink eye sold at pet shops. Homeopathic remedies do not work. Most of them are so diluted that none of the original molecules of the medicine are even present in the bottle that people are buying. The reason that they can be sold over the counter is that they are just water. I can certainly understand the desire to purchase one of these cures, as you do not have to try to get an appointment to see the vet. However, you do not need an appointment to use the home remedies described in this article. The difference is that they do work. If they are not effective, such as when your dog has an infection that needs antibiotics to clear up, the remedies sold at the pet shop are not going to heal your dog. The homeopathic cures are not effective alternatives if your dog has an infection that needs antibiotics. They will, however, make you spend more and delay having him seen and the proper medication prescribed. Thanks for watching. If this info was helpful, please like the video and subscribe. If your dog has any health problems and I can help, you can contact me at my Ask a Vet column at yourpetsathome.com.